The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. You owe it to yourself to see this large, well-maintained 2-bedroom 2-bathroom condo. It offers 1,500 square feet with an open inviting floor plan. When you enter the condo you will be impressed by the large great room and tile flooring, and there's a bay window in the dining room. The master bedroom is very spacious and the master bath has a jetted tub. The large covered deck has plenty of space for grilling, sitting back to relax, and admiring the lake view. There also is a storage closet on the deck to keep your lake toys in. The kitchen offers an abundance of cabinets and has a breakfast bar. The back door right off the kitchen has a small patio area and another set of stairs for exit and entry, great for carrying in your groceries. This condo is located in the heart of Osage Beach and is convenient to shopping, restaurants, entertainment and golf. Summerset Resort offers lots of amenities, and has dock slips available for lease. You'll get so much for your money with this condo.